Good morning. I haven't even spoke in the video today, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Christine Kugler and I'm currently a professional dancer on board Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas, and today is a sea day, but actually it's a full sea day off. Normally our show days are on sea days, but on this cruise we have an extra sea day. So though I could use today as a lazy day to rot in bed, I decided let's make it productive because we don't get these very often. I would say these random sea days happen about once a month, like every 3 or 4 cruises, so I really wanted to take advantage of the day. It was a glacier day this morning, so I went up and saw the glacier. It was a bit foggy, but it was still gorgeous, so it was fun to go out there and get some hot cocoa. You guys already know I had a productive morning, got my laundry done, put it all away, went to the gym, had breakfast with my friends, and now I'm gonna do what I typically do all the time, which is go sit in the cafe and probably edit or read. I do need to get a video done, so I'm gonna tell myself that I need to finish this video before I read my book because I'm getting really invested into it and I want to finish it today. As you guys might have seen in my last video, in my week in the life, I was reading Crown of Midnight in the Throne of Glass series. I'm really getting into it. I really want to finish it today, so hopefully that can be a goal of the day. I also want to work on the blooper reel because I am in charge of the blooper reel for my cast this contract, so it's my responsibility to get the hard drive with all the shows on them and then pick out the bloopers from each show that I want to feature in the video. I've been working on it little by little the past few months, but now it's getting crunch time. We've got less than 2 months left, so I need to really be working on this blooper reel. You guys know my bestie roomie Eve, and I haven't seen her really today because we've been in and out of the room at different times. So I'm gonna go get a coffee and join her and then probably go get some lunch sometime soon. Let's carry on with the rest of this productive sea day. Can I get a espresso shot over ice with caramel? Oh yes.
Do you want to choose my FDLT?
I am so happy because here are 2 of my favorite people.
Oh, no.
And also there's another one.
Oh my God.
Just 2 of my favorite humans on the ship.
So earlier, Christine introduced Eve and Pete as 2 of her favorite people, and kind of just
of my favorite people.
yeah. And I was sitting right there as well. So I just want to say hi. Book review. Oh. So I'm on book 4 of the Magnolia Parks series. Y'all gotta get into this.
Look, I'm wearing my Magnolia Parks jumper.
Magnolia Parks. Thanks.
You're gonna have to like put the speed up on that.
So there's whales. We're gonna go run and check. I hope they're still there.
Oh, it's so bright.
I can't see them.
Got a good day in the mess today. Got my food, miso soup, and banana chocolate crepe. Sorry, Eve. Here's our lunches. We saw some whales. We're happy about it. Hey guys, so I'm back in the cabin. Everyone went their separate ways and we're going to regroup at 3:30 to do something really fun, so stay tuned. It's currently 2 o'clock, so some people went down for a nap and I'm gonna sit in my bed and read for a little bit. We literally sound like little kids, but we are going to take a nap before we have playtime again. I actually got a lot of my video done, which I didn't expect because every time I hang out with my friends, I actually get nothing done because we're having such a good time chatting. So I need to charge my computer, charge my camera. I'm so glad we were able to see whales today. That's one of my favorite things about ship life, is just the marine life that we're able to see from being on board. I think that's all I had to update you on. I hope you guys are enjoying this little productive day in my life. So here we are. we're back from our break time. And
My break was a little too long, I'm sorry. I got
Carrie was
late.
a little late, but that's okay.
I brought activities for us. Paper, I have colored pencils, paint, the little cups that the woman gave us for our watercolor, plates, and pencils.
Yay! Collecting all the bloopers, which is a huge check off my to-do list of things I needed to do. Of course, we're still doing shows, so there may still be more bloopers added, but now I can get onto editing them since I've collected all the show bloopers off the hard drive. I'm so excited to be working on the blooper reel because I love making people laugh, and I have a feeling that they're going to really laugh at some of these bloopers, and also collecting memories throughout the contract that were really funny or inside jokes and compiling that into a long video at the end of the contract. For coming along to my productive C day off in my life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell so you're notified every time I make a post. So thankful for you guys, and stay tuned because there's more ship content coming for the end of my contract. Make sure you follow my Instagram so you stay tuned on where I am in the world, and wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having the very best day. I'll see you in the next video.